注意ください。丸の内線、日比谷線は
What's up guys, so today I'm in Tokyo again. I'm about to go pick up my MacBook Pro. It's been a week since I dropped it off at the Apple store, and I was expecting it to take a lot longer than usual, but they finished the repair in like 2 days, so that was pretty amazing. Been working a lot, pretty tired, pretty sick right now. This week has been pretty hectic as well. Aside from my MacBook breaking, I had a whole bunch of issues at home in my apartment. My washing machine is leaking water and it's not really working right now. It's skipping the cycles. Really a frustrating few days, a stressful few days, but the repairman is coming tomorrow, but I'm just trying to get my mind off it. It's so nice out today. It's 80 degrees, probably the hottest that has been, and I'm finally wearing like a shirt and I don't have to wear any hoodie or any sweaters, so perfect weather. 80 degrees, there's no humidity, so it makes for perfect to just go around Tokyo today, and I'm wearing shorts. So that's pretty cool. But right now I'm heading to the Apple store to pick up my Mac, and I cannot wait to edit these videos once I get home. Vitamin D, yes. And that's good for my hair too, because I'm kind of like getting bald up here. My hair's thinning out, so much needed sunlight. So about 57,000 yen later, I have my MacBook fixed. So they repaired the outside of it. There's no more cracks, and the LCD screen, it's now in good condition. So cool. Let's be honest, typically when I buy something from the Apple store, I never purchase a warranty. And fortunately, last August when I went into the Apple store to get my new MacBook, I actually did buy one. I don't know why, but I did, because I usually never drop anything, I never break anything. But you know, I know I was going to be moving abroad and going to be traveling a lot around with it, and you know, it was kind of necessary to buy it at the time, and I didn't think I would break it. And then months down, here we are. You know, I broke my Mac, but you know, the price was going to be about $1,100 to fix my entire Mac, and they were going to replace like the keyboard, the LCD screen, and just everything about it. And it was going to cost me like $1,000 but they said that since I had like the warranty, it would only cost half the price. So I just saved my own ass. But look at this right here. This is such a nice day. We are in Ginza right now. As I keep mentioning in my previous videos or earlier, this is like the fashion, the shopping district of Japan. It's kind of comparable to the Magnificent Mile back in Chicago, but the weather is so nice today. It's 80 degrees, the sun is shining. Not like last week when I was here and it was all like cloudy and just really gray, but it's so nice that the pad people are just out here and just chilling, drinking, and you know, just having a really good time. And what they usually do on this street is on weekdays, cars would usually be driving down the street, but on weekends they typically close down the street just to let everybody walk on it. To head to the vegan festival. I'm not vegan, but I love vegan food, and so I'm gonna meet a new friend today. It's Tasha's friend, and so I'm going to meet him and check out some vegan food. The weather's so nice, so I'm probably gonna spend the whole day here, and I'm probably gonna go shopping around for other necessities because I'm going to Thailand next week. So let's see what the day holds for us. Let's see, it's month number 3 in Japan, and it's been like so long since I had a burger that of course the first burger I have is going to be vegetarian burger. So nothing but veggies, but that's alright. I know it's going to taste delicious. So, so initially I was going to get the spicy burger, but they ran out of spicy burgers and all they had was hot dogs. So this is the Mexi hot dog. It just comes with like a onions, some tomatoes, and probably some type of fake meat on it. I do not know what it is, but looks pretty interesting.
You've never been there, right? For that one?
We're gonna go one time, but it's like 500 円で。お待たせしました。
はい、ありがとうございます。So I got omoyaki, I think. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. What's it called?
Takoyaki.
Takoyaki. Alright, so I totally forgot to film this. There was like seitan in there and a whole bunch of like batter, really gooey inside and crispy on the outside, and had like I think teriyaki sauce and mayonnaise. So pretty well balanced, pretty good. But still at the vegan festival, now trying this organic beer, and it's just really fruity. Not to my liking at all, but very refreshing since it's 80 degrees out. I want to say hi to Tasha.
Yo.
Yeah, so this is my first time meeting you today, and He's one of Tasha's friends, and so we're just enjoying a day out at the vegan festival, and who knows what we're gonna do after this. So we are in Shibuya right now. We're gonna head up to the Sky Lounge, which is on the 11th floor. And usually Sky Lounges are probably like on the 50th or whatever, like the highest floor they have possible, but floor 11 is the highest one we can go. So let's check it out.
That is a perfect shot of all the trades. Did I just get in your shot?
That's why I'll work through it at post-production. So like the most tourist thing you can do is go to Shibuya Square, but sitting here at the Sky Deck at floor 11 is a really remarkable experience. I am just in awe, and it's just so surreal to think that I'm living here. But what an amazing scenery. We sat here for about half an hour. We saw the sunset, and now it's nighttime, but everything is just lit up, it's illuminated. There's so many neon lights, and that's what makes it so special.
So many. And when people, like, we're both vegan, so I don't know.
Wow.
Restaurant.
So Japan is such like an orderly society that you stand on the left and let people walk on the right. And life is just so much more easier that way. See? It's cool. Alright, so now I think we're gonna go get some sushi in Shibuya. I think we're going to the sushi train, so let's see where that is and see how that experience plays out. But, whoa. Like I always say, things in Tokyo is so mesmerizing. There's so many neon lights. There's so much things going on that your attention span is very short here. Wow, that line is actually pretty long. I feel like people are waiting in line to get some new Jordans or something, but that's not even the case. It's just for some sushi. Line is moving pretty quick. And standing up at the same time, we're playing musical chairs to our dinner. Come on guys, musical chairs. Music's starting, stand, and no. Alright, I don't think, okay, there we go. This is our first time playing musical chairs.
Something else, flower.
Yeah.
Almost there. Almost there. So we're almost into the restaurant, 30-something minute wait. But what I am realizing is people in Japan that are waiting in line, they don't mind it at all. Back in the States, like, you probably see some people that are grumpy and, you know, just like, just impatient. But here, everybody's really patient. They're willing to wait and they don't mind it at all. So that it's really interesting to see the comparisons between back home in America and here in Japan. We are ready to eat some sushi. Whoa. Oh, look at all this. So we got a sushi cart in here with all the delicious sushi, but we're gonna get our own table. So how nice is this? Oh yeah, I am so excited. It's my first ever sushi train experience in Japan. So this is gonna be pretty exciting. Oh, look at all that sushi. Oh my god. Straight all the way down. Oh my god. Gift right there. What's in there?
Oh, you haven't?
The table behind me is really maxed out. Look at all those plates right there.
I tried looking for it.
So good. I always order.
That's fantastic. Okay. Did you guys see that? So he just scanned the plates to see how much each plate of sushi costs. And after like a few seconds, they'll print out the receipt and give it to you. Mine is, oh, that's so crazy. So the restaurant we just went was pretty amazing. Service really good. Food was tremendous. Food came out fairly quickly, and it's not too bad for the price in Shibuya. 1,800 yen. If you're ever visiting Japan, definitely check out this sushi train. It's located. Let me try to get this right here. Alright, it's called Katsu Midori Seibu. I'll show you guys right there, but I'll post a link right down below for if you guys ever want to come by in Shibuya to check this out. So definitely recommend. What? So basically, we're gonna take a group photo. These are like gigantic photo booths that they probably have a lot of different backgrounds and whatnot you can choose from, but it's absolutely crazy in here. I don't know what photo booth we're gonna go to, but I'm with them. So let's see what photos we can take. I think we picked one.
Oh my god, stop talking.
Oh, what the hell? Oh my god, what the heck? Why did we do this? This is a place where you take your picture and basically you have like that, the eyes like glowing. Now I know where all the Japanese girls get their pictures from. They take it at these photo booths and do some editing that just enhances that glow on their eyes. So totally weird, but interesting. Alright guys, I'm about to sign out right now. It's been a long day, tiring day, cannot wait to get home. I met Yu, Tasha's friend. Thank you, Tasha, for introducing me to your great friend. And I also met Shayna. So I know you guys didn't want to be filmed, but thank you guys for taking me around Tokyo. Thank you guys for showing me places that I've never been to or seen before. You guys were very accommodating and very friendly, and I cannot wait to come back next week or a couple weeks to hang out with you guys again. So thank you a lot. And everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. There are going to be a lot more since I just got my MacBook fixed. It was a really tough week, stressful week, as my refrigerator broke, my washer broke, my MacBook broke, but ending this Sunday on a good note. So once again, thank you for watching, and tune back next time for When You Win Love Wars. Peace out.